Hi folks, right, in this video we're just going to show how to quickly test the RS423 serial system on a BBC Micro if you only have the BBC Micro. Basically you've got nothing else to plug into it, but you want to make sure that the serial system is working anyway. So what we need to do is we need to get one of these 5-pin domino plugs and you wire it like this. So this is looking from the back of the plug. We loop the data out to the data in and the CTS to the RTS. These plugs can fit in the socket both way around, but because of where the little indents are, if you fit it in either way around, it doesn't matter. That's still, the data is looped. So what we do is we'll plug it in either way around on the master here. Excuse the state of my master, but it does the job for testing. Now this is a program I use. It's very crude, but it does the job. So what that's doing is it's setting it to the slowest baud rate, set with the StarFX 7 and the StarFX 8. The 2,1 and 3,1 are basically looping the output and the input together. The stop causes the system to stop with an error message. So what you should get when you type run for this is that. And the machine should just be in a continuous loop, because what it's doing is it's sending the output back to the input and just making sure that your serial is working. We can check that that's actually going through the serial port by, if we remove that looped connector, it stops. Now if you plug it back in, it doesn't always start back up again. Plug it back in one of the right way around, because of, come on, oops, no, plugging it in the cassette hole doesn't help. Sometimes it starts up and produces gibberish on the screen, but that's fine because it might have been in the middle of a serial 8-bit word, and then it doesn't pick it back up again. But most of the time it does pick it back up. So you can tell that if it's doing that nice and slowly, then the serial output is working and it's looping back in, and the serial input is working. So that's how we check the serial system. It tests the serial ULA there and also the 6850, as well as on a master it's here, the serial in and out. On a Model B it's the other couple of chips that are by the serial port. So that's how we check the serial system on a BBC. Cheers.